Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. Obviously I haven't uploaded a video in a good wee while now. I think it's been like over a month since I've uploaded anything. And I'm kind of just going to do like a get ready with me today. Maybe kind of like discuss a couple of reasons why I haven't been uploading or that. But not everything, some of it is quite personal stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna, see how things go. So to start, I'm going to go in with this Pink Honey kind of like eyebrow glue, just to like hold down my brows. And I've done all my skincare and stuff off camera. So I just kind of brush it through, and then to like kind of flatten them more, I just go over with the end of the spoolie. And then for primer, I'm going to go in with this NYX Marshmallow primer. I'm just kind of like massaging that into my skin. So obviously I haven't posted on YouTube or anything in a while. I have posted some stuff on TikTok, but honestly not loads. And I kind of haven't done anything on my Instagram or that either. I've just kind of been going through it a wee bit. Just kind of a lot of mental health stuff going on, which it's kind of made it a bit hard to kind of do most things. I'm not going to fully get into it because obviously it's all quite personal stuff, but it is going on, so I've kind of just not been in any mindset to upload anything. For my foundation, I'm going to go with my KIKO Charm and Escape foundation. I haven't really kind of been up to doing anything. I've not really been doing makeup or anything at all. Like kind of just even like day to day, like I've not really been doing anything. Yeah, so I'm actually kind of a way to try and figure out how to kind of fix some of my kind of mental health and how to maybe not fix it but like treat it. I'm on a little self-care journey right now. But yeah, so hopefully I can start having time to film more. I also like work a ton, so I obviously back in October I got a new job working in a call centre, so my shifts there are super long. Like I work 11.5-hour shifts 3-4 days a week, which obviously doesn't sound like a lot, but I don't really have a ton of time to do anything. So like by the time I'm home from work, I'm most of the time absolutely shattered, and then need to be up early for work the next day. The days I'm like not working, I either have like prior commitments like with friends and things, or like I want to spend some time with my partner and things. I'm just using the Conceal and Define concealer from Revolution, but yeah, so like it doesn't give me a ton of time for filming and stuff. And then on top of that, I actually have a chair at a salon in my home city. So I work there I do that on Saturdays, to try and get like a kind of bit extra money and things as well. So I'm working a ton, and then I think what's happened is just working so much has kind of put a bit of a strain on my kind of body and myself. So I decided to take a bit of a break from YouTube. It was kind of unplanned. I was just kind of social media. It was pretty unplanned. I was just going through it. And the idea of uploading anything was just getting way too much. Like I just couldn't bring myself to even pick up a camera, which obviously isn't ideal because I really enjoy making YouTube videos and that. I think I was just trying to do too much all at once. And I also obviously I want to improve my YouTube channel. I want to actually kind of make it grow, and I feel like I am struggling a bit on how to do that. Like I'm struggling to kind of find like a niche. I'm struggling to find kind of like what gets people watching and things. So it's just, I think it all just became a lot. So yeah, obviously I'd say I wasn't going to get into it, and I've pretty much just gotten into everything. But yeah, other than that, I'm doing okay. And I'm hopefully going to be back kind of weekly again. I'm going to be doing kind of a mix of lifestyle. I want to do kind of a mix of lifestyle stuff, makeup and like fashion and things. I have a ton of ideas, I just haven't been able to do any of them because I haven't really been able to do much. But yeah, I'm gonna put a lid on that. It was just so, if anyone does actually care or is like interested, that's why I haven't been uploading. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'm gonna come back and do my eye. So I've done this eye off camera. I've kind of done like a 60s, 70s kind of inspired thing. So I'm just gonna do this one on camera. So for my eye base I use the Cut Crease canvas from Revolution, and I'm going in with my Vieve Essentials palette. So I'm just gonna create an outline of a crease. Just like that. So I went in with the shade Lava Rock for that, so this dark brown. And then I'm going to go in with Delicious, which is just a bit lighter, and buff that out. And then going in with Buff, I'm just going to blend everything out. And then going in with a clean brush, I'm just going to kind of buff out the edges. And then I'm going to cut my crease. So when I'm cutting my crease, I'm not dragging the product, I'm just stamping it on. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go in with some translucent powder and just set that so that it doesn't budge. Normally I wouldn't do that, but I'm just a bit worried that I'm gonna ruin it if I look anywhere. And then using the angled brush and going in with Lava Rock again, I'm just gonna create a little wing. And then just go onto my under eye as well. And then going in with Lava Rock again and Delicious. I'm just gonna kind of bring that up. And going in with Delicious, I'm just gonna bring that further in my under eye. And then going in again with Buff. I'm just gonna blend all this out. I'm gonna bring Lava Rock into the inner corner as well. And just stomp it on. Just like that. I'm gonna do like my lashes and off camera and then I'll be back. So I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. I'm just going for quite a like kind of neutral summery look, just because it's been really nice weather recently. But yeah, kind of getting back to like the point of the video, I am wanting to be way more consistent on YouTube in the next kind of few weeks and things. I'm gonna really try, and I have like more ideas and things coming. I kind of want to do like more vloggy style videos and things like that. I also, like obviously I am kind of doing makeup like in a salon now, which is super exciting because that's obviously what I want to do kind of like full time. So hopefully like that can start thinking. Hopefully I'll be able to show kind of things like that on YouTube and that as well. For my blush I'm just going with my KIKO Koncious one, and this is Imagine. But yeah, I kind of just wanted this video to be like a little update on like why I haven't been uploading to YouTube or like Instagram and that, just in case anyone wondered for that, and kind of a little like life update. So obviously, like I said, like my kind of mental stability isn't ideal right now, mental health's not ideal right now, so as much as I'm going to try and be consistent, there might be some kind of gaps, but hopefully I can kind of sort it out and start uploading consistently again. I like have so many ideas for things like Halloween and that as well, so I'm really looking forward to like kind of that. I go away on holiday in September too, and I'm planning on vlogging the whole holiday. Like me and my partner are planning on vlogging the whole holiday. Yeah, like I'm really looking forward to kind of all that. I'm looking forward to Christmas. I'm hoping to maybe do like a kind of vlogmas like each week, or like I probably wouldn't do it every day just because most of the days I'd just be at work. It's like a kind of weekly vlogmas thing in December. So yeah, this is the finished look. But yeah, this is just a kind of really quick like kind of life update video just to explain kind of why I've been not really been active on anything, and kind of what's going to be happening in the next few weeks. But I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you can subscribe. It would really mean the world to me. I do makeup videos, I do lifestyle videos, I do fashion videos. My TikTok and everything is all linked down below. My TikTok's like primarily makeup. Yeah, thank you. Bye.